Hey y'all, how's it going? Before we start, check out that sun. That usually means smoke from a fire's um, interfering. So that's probably what's happening. Anyway, hopefully it's not too close, but it has me a little worried, I'll be honest. It was not like that a very short time ago. Anyway, today we're going to make sloppy joes. I thought about smash burgers, but you know, you've seen me cook them 10 or 20 times and tell me every time it's too thick or too this or too that. So actually it doesn't matter what too thick. I was happy with them, so there. But we do want something different once in a while. This is down to medium low. That sun is something. Let's season our meats. Even if we are using canned, still want to give it some flavor. Right. That should be plenty of flavor. Hopefully none of y'all are affected by the California fires. Last I heard there were none anywhere around. But that changes quick. We went to bed one night with the nearest fire miles and miles away, and at 2 a.m. we were woken up being told to leave, and we could see the flames coming up over the mountain, and it was time to leave. That was the Thomas fire. The fire did go a mile below our home, but the incredible fire department did an incredible job, saved our homes and all the other ones. There was like one house nearby lost. Otherwise, but yeah, can't say enough. They saved our home. No smoke damage, no flame damage, all the way right up to the yard. But the home was safe. So anyway, that's how fast fires can move. Hopefully that's just a cloud. On a 90-degree day, 90-plus degree day, slightly before sunset. fingers crossed, toes crossed, eyes crossed, everything's crossed. We stayed with friends for a while and then moved into a motel that took animals. So we lived with our cats in a motel. Baja went with her family. She doesn't actually live with us. She just thinks she does. So, I could have made it the Sloppy Joe stuff from scratch, but look how late it is. So we're cheating today. We're going with the canned stuff because we can. Can the can. Hopefully the griddle will give it a whole new flavor. Ooh, sure gives it a whole new sizzle. You know what would be good? Onions. Don't go away. Keep an eye on that. Thanks for watching that for me. Chopped onion. I think that'll give it a little bit of extra something, don't you? If I could get it to come out. A certain extra je ne sais quoi. I don't smell smoke. It's probably just a cloud. But we are in the mountains. We live among the clouds. They do strange things sometimes. But just look at that, man. It's eerie. Maybe I've just been through too many fires. Close up, close up, close up. Get you back. I'm sure it's nothing. Right, Baja? Well, that certainly looks sloppy. You know what? I almost forgot the buns. How could you? How dare you? Let's turn you off. Turn you down to ultra low. Forgot the buns. What do you think? About 4 out of that? Probably. So, let us throw some ghee on the griddle. We'll use the same spatula because we can. And we'll start making some buns. Well, we didn't make the buns. We're just griddling the buns. because everything's better with a griddle. Okay, Baja. There's Baja ball. Oh, now the sunset's getting romantic. Isn't it pretty? It's scary, but it's pretty. That's done. How about you? Are you done? That could go a little bit more. You could go a little bit more. You're done. So we'll make 2. Two for you and 2 for me. How's that sound? Oh yeah. Ta-da! Turn that off. Do this. And at least on mine, they're going to be crunchy because I'm going to add potato chips. Sloppy Joes love potato chips. I think we got potato chips. Should have checked to see if we needed side dishes cooked, huh? Oh well, close enough. Trust me. Just plain old Lay's or Trader Joe's or whatever, potato chips. Absolute perfection. So, Sloppy Joe's on a sloppy day with the sun slipping beneath the hills. And that's all we've got for today, y'all. Thanks for watching again. And have a great day. Bye!